So how can they start using research in a very meaningful way during the academic projects?
I feel every student should be able to bridge the gap. It's very important that a student knows what is the problem and what is the solution. So they have to try to identify the problem first and then try to find out solutions.
Welcome to Meet the Leader presented by Scope Parallel University. Today's guest is Raina Batavia, a passionate designer, researcher and educator who brings empathy, clarity and purpose to every project she touches. From being a UX researcher at Cato to mentoring design students across the country, Raina has built a diverse career rooted in human-centric thinking, storytelling and collaboration, with experience spanning startups, classroom and creative studios. She continues to inspire through thoughtful design, inclusive practices and a deep commitment to shaping impactful digital experience. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here on your beautiful podcast.
So, our first question is, your journey began in visual communication and gradually expanded into user experience and research. What inspired that? The transition, and how did your foundation in visual design affected it?
It was a very interesting journey. As you mentioned, I started as a visual designer, which encompasses of graphic design, illustration, and filmmaking is also a small part of it. As I was doing a lot of visual communication design, I realized that while I was designing, I liked and enjoyed the research part of it more. While I enjoyed the execution as well, I was always focused on diving deeper into identifying the problems and then solving those problems for the users. So as I did this journey, I understood that my forte lies in research and identifying and solving user problems. And that's how I transitioned from a visual designer to a UX researcher.
So basically, you started with a very fun-loving job, then you went into education and made it very fun-loving things to learn for students. Am I right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So my second question is, many Parul University students are learning to bridge the creativity with functionality. So how can they start using research in a very meaningful way during the academic projects?
It's a very interesting question. I feel every student should be able to bridge the gap. It's very important that a student knows what is the problem and what is the solution. So they have to try to identify the problem first and then try to find out solutions. Sometimes students do it the other way around.
Yeah.
They think what the problem is instead of identifying it, and they assume it and then they try to go ahead and designing. So identifying and then solving.
This also available, applicable in lifetime strategies and UX design also. So my question is, finally, when your students at the learning journey with you, what the one principle or perspective you hope they carry with them for life from you?
Again, a very good question. My students, there are 2 or 3 values that I really try to inculcate in them. As designers, we're always told to put design first, but I tell my students that you have to manage both perspectives, the design perspective as well as the business perspective. You have to think how a design is going to help a business, how it is going to impact the environment also, as we are going heavily into sustainability, as well as you need to be very sincere. I feel that showing up is very important. These days, a lot of us struggle from different problems on personal front as well as work front.
Yes.
But no matter what challenges you face, you should always show up and be sincere and work hard towards your project.
Agreed. So any last thing you want to tell our Parul University student about your journey, about your experience, or one advice that can change their lives, or anything that you want to tell about Parul University in general?
I think your university is very big and very vast. It has a lot of departments and it has a lot of different types of students on campus. And design is all about collaborating with other industries and other streams, because as a designer, you might work on a project which could be, designing something for a medical college or designing something for hospitals. So it could be a wide range of clients you could work with. I feel that this campus gives you access to that, and you should make the most of it while you are here. So having more conversations with people from other disciplines and other students will help you grow as a designer.
What a wonderful incentive, because we are so busy with ourselves using mobile phone and everything, and this actually help us with connecting with people and grow. So thank you so much for all the advices. Thank you for insights. We are very proud to have you with us, and we are very proud to have with us at Parur University.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.